This is higher homework 11 and we're going to look at the solution to question number 1. If you've not done this already, freeze the video, try the question and I'll show you the solution. Right, if x and y are acute angles such that tan x is equal to 8 over 15 and cos y is equal to 24 over 25, find the exact value of sine x minus y. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw two triangles to represent the tan x and the cos y situation. Right, so here we go. I'll get one of them over this side here. So there's one of the triangles. Not drawing them to scale or anything, I'm just drawing two triangles down so that I can use them to work out some values that I may have to get. Right, two right angle triangles. And if I say that this is going to be x in there, that will be y in there, okay? So I know that from SOHCAHTOA that tan x is going to be the opposite over the adjacent, so that's going to be 8 and that's going to be 15 here, okay? Right, so what I need to do is to work out this other side here, because I'm sure I'm going to have to use that when I expand sine x minus y. Right, so this one here, just by Pythagoras, is going to be 15 squared plus 8 squared. And if I work that through on my calculator or without the calculator, I should get that to be 17 there. That will be the square root of 289. Right, if I look at this one here, I've got the cosine y is 24 over 25. So the cosine is going to be this side here divided by that side there, the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. So we'll go for 24 here, 25 there, and again what we'll do is we'll do Pythagoras to work out the missing side. It's a shorter side, so that should be 25 squared hypotenuse subtracting the other side that's there. Okay, and from there I should get the square root of 49 and that should give me 7. Okay, so what I've done is I've worked out both of the missing sides, and then what I can do is I can now expand sine x minus y. So remember, what I'd do is I'd look at the formula sheet to expand that one out and make sure that I get that correct from there. So what I've got is, I'm going to go sine x, it's going to be cosine y. Sine stays the same when it's sine, and cosine x, and sine y. Right, so straight from the formula sheet, that one there. Now what I need to do is I need to work out my values for sine x. So sine x is going to be opposite over the hypotenuse. So that's going to be 8 over 17. Cosine of y. Cosine of y is going to be, the one that we were given was cosine y 24 over 25, or 24 over 25 from here. 24 over 25. I'm going to subtract from that cosine x. So cosine x, we're going for 15 divided by 17. And sine y is going to be the opposite over the hypotenuse, 7 over 25. Okay. All that's left for me to do is to fire that into my calculator and work it through. I know that what we've got there is 87 all over 425. And that's going to be my final answer. That's the exact value. You can't simplify it down any further from there. Right, let's see the marking scheme for this one here. So what we'll go for is for the using Pythagoras to work out this one here and this one here. So that just makes up, that's going to be 1 mark for the two of these here. I'll give 1 mark for the substitution into the formula that comes from your formula list and getting the values substituted incorrectly, and a final mark for getting the answer that's there. So we'll go for this question, go for out of 3 marks.